very dangerous.
Ratchet, get to the Star Watch investigator. Clark, who they're messing with.
Jake, come in! I'm engaging hostiles inside the city and I need backup!
Oh shit. Where am I going? Wait, what are you... Where's my jetpack? I ain't got a jetpack.
Enemies detected.
But what are these? Okay, well they're a fucking piece of piss to kill. They don't look like AR. Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Can you give me a chance to figure out where I'm going first?
This sector. Perhaps we should investigate.
Yes, let's. Where are we going? Jump. 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 There we go. Got it sorted already. Right, where are we going? That's making my eyes go weird. Jump. This reminds me of another game, but I can't remember what it is. Have I just done the same thing? I was meant to switch over, wasn't I? I was. I've just done the exact same thing. When was I meant to jump over? I was meant to cross over at some point, I don't know when. Yep, because I've already done this. Was I crossing over now? Yeah, I think so. And again. Alright, could have at least let me know. Oh shit, okay, you can't jump over some of them. Whoa. Yeah, how...
The Blarg are advancing towards Star Watch. We could really use your help right now.
Okay, I'm just gonna jump over again.
As long as you can.
I'm coming, whoever you are. How is it even possible to go up that steep? Go away. This place is... oh god. Whoa! This place is fucking huge. I don't even get there. Right, what?
Hey Ratchet, Grim here. Been following your adventures and I couldn't be happier for you. Listen,
Thanks.
I don't know if I ever told you this, but I have a brother on Pocataru. His name's Felton. We don't talk much on account of him being a bit of a slacker, but he sent me a distress call this morning. He said Trek was attacking Pocataru with these hydro harvester things.
Oh my god, bless me.
For something. I tried calling the Rangers, but Captain Quark kept directing me to his agent. Anyway, if you have a moment, could you swing by and check in on him? Thanks, kid. I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of me too. Fucking hard work. Right. Where am I going? I don't want to return to ship. Do I? I kind of didn't listen to what he said.
Ratchet, Cora needs our assistance. We should head into the city and help the Rangers protect Star Watch.
So I just did all that for no fucking reason. Is that what you're trying to say?
See you guys. Come on, I could use
What if you die?
Warning for my hard-working employees.
How many bullets do you take?
Star Watch will result in automatic
Just
from prejudice.
hi. Who are you?
Gotta get across this bridge.
Oh god, not this again. Right. So where's the outside one? No, that's not even the outside one. This one. No. So confused. Ah, wait. Okay. And then what is to be moved? I'm not sure how that worked exactly, but fuck yeah! I did that just for fucking Rhino code. Give me my money. I want 21k so I can unlock that new thing. Is that everything? Yep. Give me my money.
They're coming out of the snow.
Keep them away from that bolt crate!
Ow.
Why haven't you killed them yet? Must I make an example out of one of you so you understand how tired this situation is? Do not fail me!
Who's talking? Okay, I don't like the look of it down there. Go on. Die! Why are you so hard to kill? You're doing a shit job, you're just floating and shooting.
We scared him off.
No he didn't. No he didn't. No he didn't. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Holy shit, 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 shit. No. 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 I need to find health. Give me health. Where's health? I need health. Health, please. Health. Health. Ah! Fuck.
Come on! We've got to get across this bridge.
Say that one more time. Wait, what? I don't know.
They're coming out of the snow.
Yeah! Keep them
Ow.
bolt crate!
Ow.
Why haven't you killed them yet? Must I make an example out of one of you so you understand how tired this situation is? Do not.
Shit. 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 I'm guessing running past them doesn't help. Oh, it's ice, and I wonder I can't get on.
He's not along that.
Oh, for fuck's sake! Oh, this is gonna make me rage quit again.
Across this bridge.
Alright, let's assess the situation. You got bastards here, bastards down there, bastards over there, and bastards that come through there. How do we get past the bastards?
They're coming out of the snow.
Keep them away from that bolt crate!
Let's use you.
Haven't you killed them yet? Must I make an example out of one of you so you understand how tired this situation is? Do not fail me!
Right. Looks like.
We need to extend the bridge. Hop on that bull crank.
Ah, I see. Come on, hopefully this distracts him. Distract him, distract him, distract him, distract him. Run!
Come on, Star Watch is this way.
Running for my life right now.
If Skywatch does not fall, our mobility in this sector will be...
Holy, what the fuck? Are you having a laugh? No. No. Shit! My plan was flawless. Till I saw a massive bloody tank. I get hit once, I'm dead. Run. Shit. Shit. Shit.
I'm pinned down.
You're pinned down. Selfish bastard. For fuck's sake. Okay.
Come on, Star Watch is this way.
Got another big bastard to add to the list. Wait, where's everyone gone? Boxes! Oh, a box. Okay, so I'm guessing if we get past that bit. The big guys don't come no more, and then I've just got a tank to face. Great. That makes everything better.
We're sending in a tank!
Sending in a tank.
Watch this not fall. Our mobility in this sector will be greatly inhibited. Will not.
What if a tank dances? I'm not risking it, I don't want to waste my... Who's done? Who's done? Who's done? Ow, not me!
I'm pinned down.
I think we're both a bit fucking pinned down, though.
It's down. Nice shooting. Bet you never got to do anything like that on Veldin.
Yeah, I just tried to do it about 3 times, mate.
Push forward!
Can't be done. What's happening?
Warbots!
I'm not interested. Hey.
Here we go.
Mr. Zurkon is here.
Well, looks like the reinforcements arrived. Let's
Oh shit.
work.
No, no, no. Kill first, turn after. Kill first, turn after. Okay. Can you... Oh shit. I want to die again. No. No. Oh, for fuck's sake! I'm gonna rage quit. I'm gonna rage quit. This fucking game. Ah. If I don't do this in 3 more attempts, this session is officially over. Let's go.
Here we go. Well, looks like the reinforcements arrived. Let's get to work.
Can you go away? Wait, what? What are you doing up there, man? You don't fly. When have you ever flied? No, no, no. Fuck's sake! I'm gonna. Oh my god. Right. Let's try again. Try doing it from a distance. Who's shoot?
Looks like the reinforcements arrived. Let's get to work.
Stop shooting me!
Out of ammo.
Go away. It's a shame face cam isn't on, because if you could see my face right now, you'd know that I wasn't happy. One more fucking attempt. I need a break from this bloody game. One more attempt and I'm done. If I don't do it, what am I going to do? Throw a disco thing down, throw this down, get that out, and hope for the best. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And now hide behind.
Here we go. Whoa.
Come on.
Looks like the reinforcements arrived. Let's
So there's now 2 more. Let's do the same thing. 1, 2. Oh, we don't need any, she's still there. That girl who's supposed to be helping me is doing fuck all. And one more time. Just because I know I'm fucked up. Now let's go and know this with these stuff. Come on. Come on. You're dead. Die. I've done it. Did it. Nope, 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 nope. Tank. 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 Die. Tank. No. No, run away. Go away. No, I need him. That. Please tell me the tank dances. The tank actually dances. Okay, that's good. Come on. Come on. You're dead. Yes! It died! Man, I just gotta get rid of these little bitches. What the hell's shooting? Oh, it's her.
You got a lot of raritanium. Come see me and let's do some upgrades.
Ah. Fuck off. Not dying just from you.
Troops. HR says I can't fire or kill you for failing to terminate the Galactic Ranger.
Oh my god, that was so stressful.
To offer a little employee incentive.
That was the most annoying thing I've ever done in this game so far.
Rangers meet their end. We'll get
I was so close to rage quitting. Again.
bring up Calabash. Parties, orbital dinner cruises. They offer cooking classes.
Don't even want to go Mighty rocket launcher. I think I should probably buy some ammo. And I should probably upgrade. I can't get them. Effective rate. Fully upgraded this. And one. Sorted. This is now my new ultra weapon. 12. I made a big difference.
Turrets could be a real problem for us.
God.
We're gonna have to find another way inside. You take point, I'll cover you.
Great. Let's do this.
That surface looks ionized. Try using your magna boots.
How do I use the magna boots? Ow. Yeah, I'm not dealing with this right now.
The young Lombax knew that he needed to find another way through. Perhaps his magna boots could be of some assistance.
How do I use the magna boots? Idiot. I don't know how to use them.
Not bad, Ratchet.
Oh.
I don't like this at all. If Drek takes down Star Watch, there won't be anything standing between him and everyone
Ow.
in the system.
Wait, whoa. That was what? Oh shit.
Urgent Galactic Ranger.
I'm dead. Good
Spotted.
Wish me luck. Again.
Not bad, Ratchet.
Not bad, Ratchet. Shut up, you bitch.
I don't like this at all. If
You don't like it. You don't know what we're playing. Oh shit. I'm upside down. How am I supposed to do
the
this?
system.
Where's Captain Quark?
No! No! It's, oh, for
To attend.
yeah, hold on. Hold on! Don't die! How have I managed to get out? Is this just this death, isn't it? Shit. Wait! I can reach that. I can reach it. Let me jump off! I've glitched again. Guys. Just let me jump, let me die! Let me die. Let me die! Fuck have I done? I wanna die. I wanna die. Fuck have I done to this game? Fuck's sake. Let me off! It's stuff like this that makes me rage quit. It's the end of this session. I'm not playing anymore when shit like this happens. It's been too stressful already. And I'm not interested in carrying on. Goodbye.